Hey there, and welcome. Today, we're going to unpack the new International Baccalaureate Digital Society course, and we're going to do that by digging into this really powerful idea right at its core, the ripple effect. So let's trace those ripples and see exactly where they lead.
So let's just start with a pretty big question. Can a single click, one post, or even just one share, can it truly change the world? I mean, it sounds like a bit of an exaggeration, doesn't it?
But here's the thing. This course argues that in our deeply interconnected digital world, the answer is a resounding yes. And that idea, that simple idea, is the key to everything we're about to explore.
Okay, so what is this new course, really? Well, you can think of it as a class designed specifically for the world we are all living in right now.
So officially, Digital Society is part of the Individuals and Societies group in the IB diploma. This puts it right alongside subjects like history, economics, and geography. That tells you right away that this is a serious, critical look at our human experience today.
But it's so much more than just another class to check off a list. It's actually woven deep into the very DNA of the IB program itself. See, this course isn't designed to be some siloed-off subject. Nope, it connects directly with the three big pillars of the IB core: theory of knowledge, CAS, and the extended essay. What you learn here is absolutely meant to feed into every other part of your IB journey.
And the purpose here isn't just to fill your head with a bunch of facts about technology. The real goal, the fundamental goal, is to help shape you as a student and, as a person.
The course really zeroes in on developing three crucial areas. You'll build what's called international mindedness, you'll embody the IB Learner Profile attributes, and you'll master the practical approaches to learning skills you need to succeed.
So how does the course manage to tie all of this together? Well, it uses this incredibly powerful central metaphor, the digital butterfly effect.
This is the classic definition, right? The idea that one tiny, almost unnoticeable event can set off this huge chain reaction with massive, unpredictable consequences, maybe even on the other side of the world. And that just brilliantly sums up the core philosophy of the Digital Society course. In our global network, every post, every share, every single line of code is like the flap of a butterfly's wings. It can create ripples with these profound impacts on people and communities, whether we see them right away or not.
Okay, so how does this huge idea actually apply to you, the student? Well, the course doesn't just ask you to understand this effect. It's designed to equip you to navigate it. And it does that by connecting practical skills with your personal character.
This distinction is really the crucial point. On one side, you've got the ATL skills. These are the practical things you learn to do, like research and communication. And on the other side, you've got the LP attributes. This is about the kind of person you're encouraged to become. Someone who is principled and caring.
Think of it almost like a bridge, one that connects your actions to your identity. You use ATL skills like thinking and research to actively build your LP attributes as an inquirer and a thinker. The course is set up so that what you do is constantly shaping who you are.
And ultimately, this focus on personal development, it all serves a much, much larger purpose, helping to foster a generation of real global citizens.
The specific goals of the Digital Society course, they're not just some standalone objectives. They are designed to directly support and fulfill the entire foundational mission of the International Baccalaureate Organization.
And when you look at them side by side, the alignment is just remarkable. The Digital Society aim to investigate impacts lines up perfectly with the broader goal to think and act as informed individuals. Reflecting on trends helps you understand diversity. It's a perfect match, which just goes to show how this course helps achieve that wider IB mission.
And this really brings us to the heart of it all. This is the IB mission statement. It's not just about getting good grades, right? It's about becoming someone who gets our common humanity, who understands our shared responsibility for the planet. The Digital Society course is basically a direct path to achieving that mission in the 21st century. So, we end right where we began. But now the question is turned back to you. Now that you understand the power of this digital butterfly effect, the only real question left is, what ripples will you choose to create?